Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Roblox user ID. It's a ID number. And what you're going to want to do is to log in on Roblox.com. So I did check on mobile, and you do need just to open up a browser on your mobile device. And then once here, I'll pop it up on the screen. You just need to click or tap that at the bottom there where it says continue in browser. And you can do the same exact thing and follow along whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. So here we are, and we are logged into our Roblox account. And then once here, what we want to do is we want to click on our username to be taken over to our profile, or we can just click on profile here on the left-hand sidebar. And then once we are here on our Roblox profile, we want to then go up to the URL here, and we want to locate this number. So in between the word users and the word profile, there is a number. So we can go here and we can just copy that number, and then you can see here I can paste that, and that is going to be my Roblox user ID. So there are different things that you may need this ID for as far as when you're playing or trying to communicate with folks over on Roblox. But that is how you locate your user ID. You just go to your profile, and then once on your profile, you should be able to look up here, and whatever that 8 to 9 digit number is there, that is what you're going to want to write down or copy and paste somewhere to have as your Roblox user ID. Same thing works for mobile. You just need to continue on to the browser and don't open the app, and then just basically go to your profile, and you should see in the box up here a number, and that's going to be your user ID. If you have any questions about how to do this, please put those in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.